There's my sweet little pudding.
You think I'd marry that low-life pirate? Ha! You must be out of your freaking mind. Only my closest family knows what my true nature really is. At the wedding tomorrow, the entire Vinsmoke family will be eliminated. Can you imagine Sanji's face when he sees the girl he trusted?
That sad sack actually believes that you have real feelings for him.
I wonder what kind of face he'll make. Something like this? Or how about this one?